crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm very excited to bring to you the new Spellbinders Platinum Scout machine, and this one is the Lilac Shimmer machine. If you've been around my channel for a little bit, you know that I love purple, I love flowers and butterflies, and so I was looking to get a smaller machine, and I saw this purple one and I said, oh, this is the machine for me. The Lilac Shimmer one is only at spellbinders.com. They do also have a white one, and various different stores online also have other different colors. I believe it's at the cherry on top has a blue one, and I will link everything in the description below. And they are affiliate links, which means if you click on them and end up making a purchase, that helps me and my channel, and I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links. The cool thing is too is that the Spellbinders is actually selling this Lilac Shimmer version in the Platinum 6, which is a little bit bigger than this. So if you're into purple and you need a new machine, then that would definitely be the way to go. But I wanted to do, it just came, so I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you all the things that come in here, and we can kind of go over it together. So let's get started. I love the box already. Purple. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have a, if you register the machine, you get a $5 off. So I'll have to do that later. And it comes with the little book. This will tell you how to do the various sandwiches, if you're not familiar with that. Let's see. Okay, we have some hardware. Oh, that's right, we probably have to put on the handle. Let's see, and here we have all of our plates, and we have a little die set here, and an embossing folder, and we'll get into that. Oh my goodness! It is so cute and tiny. This must just be extra pieces. I did have on my my Platinum 6 machine one time, I did need to put a new screw in there and a new handle, so it would have been good to have those pieces on that. But okay, look how little teeny this is. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Alright, it is about, put it this way. The body is about 6.5 inches, and then with the handle it is about almost 10. Oh my goodness, look at, I love the flowers. Ugh, this is gorgeous. So it opens just like a regular die cut machine. If you have the Spellbinders machine, this is probably very similar to that. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, let's see how wide the opening is. And that is about 3.5 inches. So if you need to do die cutting that is 3.5 inches or smaller, then you could definitely use this, and it doesn't take up a lot of room at all on your desk. I'll pull up my, this is the Platinum 6, so you can see this actually fits right inside the opening on that one. So it is quite a bit smaller, and takes up, you know, that much less room on your desk. Put it this way. Alright, so that's a good comparison. So yeah, if you just need a little machine for the top of your desk and you want to, you know, keep bringing out your bigger machine, this would be a great one to have. Alright, and the bigger machine, the opening is 6 inches. Let's see what we get here. So we have a cute little die set. This one says for you and has flowers, and then you can cut these out and overlay into those cutouts, and there are leaves and there are flower centers. Ooh, we also have this pretty floral embossing folder, and then we have all of the plates, and this is the same as the universal plate system for the Platinum 6 and for the regular Platinum. So you get all of the things that you need to make your sandwiches work for you. So usually with the die cutting, you have the A, the B, a bottom plate, and the top plate, and then you'd run that through. If you need a shim, it has that. This embossing mat is for using, you can use dies to emboss into your cardstock without actually cutting, so it kind of stretches your supplies that way. And then this is also, this adapter plate is for doing embossing folders. So you get all of the same pieces as you do with, these are all the bigger plates for the Platinum 6. So you get all the same stuff, just in the mini size. And I did actually purchase with this additional lilac plates because they are so gorgeous. Let's see. So why don't we give a little spin. First we can do the embossing folder. And I like that the plates are really long also, because then you can actually do a lot of die cutting. You just line them up on the plates. Alright, let's see. I just have a long piece here. Okay, I'm just going to confirm. Let's see. Give this a shot and see how this goes. And sometimes with the smaller machine, it takes a little bit to kind of get it to latch on in there. But wow, look at that. That's a beautiful pattern. So that's the special one that came with this. Alright, so for the die cut sandwich, I need the A and the B. The bottom. I'm just going to cut these so we can get an idea. And since this is brand new, it might make some crazy noises. And it's totally normal to get imprints in your, I don't know if you can see. No, not on that. There. It's totally normal to get, you know, indents in the bottom cutting plate. And what you want to do is you want to have one plate that is always on the bottom. And you flip it and rotate it and use it up, and it's going to get completely marred and scarred up. And you always want to have the same one on the top because that'll prevent any of this from getting onto, like if I put this on the top, this would actually make a line in that cardstock. So it's always good to have one for the bottom and one for the top, and you just keep rotating them. And you will notice sometimes too on the top plates, I'm trying to see if you can see it, but oh, there it is, they get like a little bit of a indent, and if it gets really bad, you can actually just take a piece of copy paper and put it on top of, let's pretend this had the die in it, and you could just take a piece of copy paper, I don't have one right now, but let's pretend this is the copy paper, you put it on top like that, and it'll help prevent getting those lines from being pushed in on here. Alright, this for you is very, very delicate. Alright, we got our flowers. I think our for you needs one more pass. And you can just click it right back in. And I'm actually going to use the shim. Just to see if that helps a little bit. Yes, that definitely helped. Alright, awesome. So with this one, what you could do is if you colored these, or you know, you could ink blend or cut them out of colored cardstock, and then glued them on here. And again, there's like the little centers and there's some leaves, and you could glue them on there too, and that would be a really nice sentiment. So a lot of really cool goodies, free stuff with this, with the package. Okay, so we did the embossing, which turned out beautifully, and we did the die cutting, which also turned out great. So I think we are all set. I just wanted to give you, to do the unboxing, give you a little test of this new cute Spellbinders Scout machine, and this one is in the Lilac Shimmer color. So again, if you're interested, all the links will be in the description box below, and I hope you have a great day, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.